Hey everyone, it's Berto. I just wanted to touch base with you on water supplies, city water supplies. Ours here is getting ready to make the change over to start treating the water with chloramine, and the RODI setup that I bought was not equipped to handle the chloramine. What I had to do was change the sediment filter. I had to change the carbon filter, the carbon block, as well as the DI media. Now, chloramine is a lot tougher to get rid of than regular treated water. You can see that going in we have 173 parts per million TDS, and then going out we have 0 TDS. So just a thought for you, you might want to call your city and county before setting up an RODI system just to find out what your drinking water is treated with. Approximately 10% of city water supplies in the U.S. are treated with chloramine, and it is a different critter to get rid of. So just food for thought. Thanks for watching.